Welcome to our channel. Streaming your Xbox Series X gameplay directly to Twitch lets you share your gaming experiences with a live audience. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set up and start streaming from your console. Step 1. Download the Twitch app from the Microsoft Store on your Xbox Series X. Search for Twitch in the store and select Install to download the application. Step 2. Create a Twitch account at twitch.tv. If you don't already have one, use a web browser or smartphone to complete the account creation process with your email and chosen username. Step 3. Launch the Twitch app on your Xbox Series X and select Login. The app will display a code on your TV screen that you'll need to enter on the Twitch website. Step 4. On your computer or phone, visit twitch.tv/activate and enter the code shown on your Xbox screen. This links your Twitch account to your console. Step 5. Connect a compatible webcam to your Xbox USB port if you want to include your face cam in the stream. The Xbox Connect also works for this purpose. Step 6. Plug a headset with microphone into your Xbox controller or use a USB microphone. Good audio quality is crucial for engaging streams and viewer retention. Step 7. Start playing the game you want to stream. Press the Xbox button on your controller and select Capture and Share, then choose Live Streaming. Step 8. Configure your stream settings including title, game category, and whether to include your camera and microphone. Select Start Streaming to go live. Monitor viewer chat through the Twitch app dashboard while you play. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.